Speaking at the collectors' conference in Bhubaneswar, Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Majhi on Friday cited the misbehavior that was once meted out to him by a police officer in Keonjhar. The incident had taken place a couple of months prior to the conduct of the 2024 elections. Recalling the incident, Chief Minister Mohan Majhi said that he had to rush to the spot after getting information that locals had blocked NH20 over drinking water issues.
गत 3 मास पूर्वर कथा निर्वाचन पूर्व समय कथा निर्वाचन प्रचार थिबा समय रे एक घटना घटिला जे जेते बेले मो केन्दुझर जिलार NH20 को ब्लॉक कर दिया गला पीवा पानीर अव्यवस्था एवं लोक मान हैरान हरकत हो सेवा समय रे रोड जाम हो गला NH20 से परिस्थिति भितर मु प्रार्थी थिला सत्ते विधायक भी मुझे लोकंकर एभली एक इमरजेंसी समस्यार समाधान करने उपस्थित होगापी मत बाध्य होगापी पड़ा एवं ताहा रोड ब्लॉक को बंद करने सहित जितेबले मु थाना को गली एवं सबू अधिकारी को डाकिली एवं से थाना जिते बसिक यार आलोचना कर समाधान करिवार कथा आसे सेतेबेले से थाना अधिकारी उत्क्षिप्त होई ताको गरम भाषण रे मो उपरे जेभली भाव डायलॉग मारिले एवं मते गेट आउट कहिले ये प्रकार परिस्थिति मध्य सामना को आसे.
The Chief Minister said, "With Lord Jagannath's blessing, I became the Chief Minister. I could easily imagine the situation of the concerned IIC. I decided to forgive him, believing that he had acted under someone's pressure." The Chief Minister further said that a lot of practice which was being followed in the previous government will no longer work. Adequate powers have been given to officials and hence they should help subordinate staff and take strong action when required.